in the U.S., we have almost 50,000 homeless veterans, half of which have disabilities. We can do better. Help Badge pay it forward to our vets by placing your order at herosoapcompany.com using coupon code BADGE at checkout. That's coupon code BADGE. By doing so, you'll be helping contribute to solutions that help our valued veterans. Help Badge do what he does best. Help others.
I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing this.
Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. I got good news, and some bad news. So let's start off with the bad news. I always get the bad news out first, just to kill that pain right away. Lola, I'm sorry. I am not going to be able to make it to Lollapalooza this year. It's because of my first good news. My first good news is this is now my permanent boat. I am going to be scheduling myself 2 to 3 months at a time. I know I said to everybody, if I schedule for the 3rd month to kick my ass, well, it's because I need this extra money, and you know why as soon as I tell you. Badge has introduced me to Navigation Nowhere. Go check out his channel. I'll put a link up to his channel up here, somewhere. I always keep forgetting which side it is, all right? I know people said to my left. Okay, up there. Anyways, so he is, when he is done with his project of his minibus, short bus, whatever you want to call it, he's going to be searching one for me. He does this all the time. And he gets some really nice buses at a very low cost, and he renovates them inside and out, and he'll build it to your specifications. So with that said, I'm going to be making extra money to pay for all this. Yes, I know. It's probably going to kill me in the process, but you know what? It'll be worth it at the end. I'll get something that I really want and built to my specifications. Isn't that a good news? And I've given him time to do this. It's not going to be done in a short time. Be about September, October when he will go purchase the bus, find a bus and purchase it. Then, of course, he's up in upstate New York, so of course during wintertime really can't do much because they got lots of snow. And I said, that's fine. Springtime, he can start on it. And I do want him to take his time because he will do it perfectly and so forth, because he's very intricate in his designs. But yes, he will do it the way I like it, and that's what I like. I will find out the footage of what he's going to purchase, and I will design how I want things, but I'm going to go by his expertise on how to get it done. So with that said, yeah, kick my ass later, but wait till you see what I will have made. It'll probably be done by fall of next year. So, which is fine by me because I'm going to still be working. Yes, I'm going to be working myself to a bone, but it's going to be so worth it. Then I will work 1 more year after I get this, and then I will be able to retire. And I'll be able to travel, and well, I'll probably do semi-retirement and just work whenever I want to. We'll see what happens at that time, what decision I make by then. Yes, like I said, I'm going to be worn out. I'm not going to be doing much other than getting this all taken care of. So with that said, I hope you guys understand why I'm not going to be at Lollapalooza. But I will see you next year. And also too, because I do work out on the boat, they prefer that we don't get together with anybody more than 2 or 3 people, 4 people at the most, and definitely 6 feet apart. So camping with that many people, even with 10 people, even with 6 feet apart, is not in their criteria at work. So till we get full clearance, my job is very important to me, and y'all know that. All right, now these next parts of the video. Last weekend, I was out cooking steaks on the grill, steaks and burgers, and we were pulled over to the side. And wait till you see the video I got for out there. And stupid me should have done a video at the end, but I'll explain when I get to it. All right, have fun watching. Check this out, people. Saw this outside my galley window. Now this looks like fun. Oh, hell yeah. This guy's gonna try and get it down. He hooks another line to it that goes all the way up to that homemade ladder into that tree. Got a dog out there too.